Hello guys, I'm Sony. Welcome back to my channel. If you are searching for internships at top companies, then today's video is one you should definitely not skip. Today I am going to share 3 amazing opportunities from Microsoft, Magna International and Brnd. The first opening is from Microsoft, one of the world's biggest technology companies, for the role of software engineering intern. The second opportunity is from Magna International, a global automotive technology leader where you will get to work on AI, ML, and data engineering. And finally, I will share a remote software developer internship, which is a great option for students looking to gain real world developer experience. Whether you are interested in software development, AI, or full stack development, there is something valuable in today's video. Now let's get started. Let's begin with the biggest opportunity in today's video. The first internship is from Microsoft for the role of software engineering intern. This internship is available across multiple locations in India and the work mode is completely on site. Now, I don't think Microsoft needs much introduction. It is one of the world's largest technology company behind products like Windows, MS Office, Azure Cloud, Copilot AI, and many other technologies used by billions of people every day. Getting an internship at Microsoft is a dream for many engineering students because it provides world-class mentorship, exposure, and you will be working on real product. Now let's talk about what you will actually do during this internship. As an intern, you will design, develop, and test real software solutions alongside Microsoft engineering teams. This is not a shadowing internship where you will simply observe senior developers. You will actively contribute to real world software products while learning Microsoft engineering standards and development practices. You will work closely with software engineers, technical program managers, product managers, and other cross functional teams to understand business requirements and transform them into software solutions. You will also participate in feature development, software testing, debugging, improving application performance, and ensuring software reliability and scalability. Microsoft also encourages interns to continuously learn new technologies and engineering practices while receiving regular mentorship and feedback from experienced engineers. Coming to the required skills, Microsoft expects candidates to have strong fundamentals in OOPS, DSA, software development, problem solving, software testing, team collaboration, team management, and continuous learning. So, as we all know, if you want to crack a FANG company, you must be very good at DSA. So, make sure to check out this 15 plus top company DSA resource. Link is in the description box. The eligibility criteria mention that candidates should currently be pursuing a bachelor's or master's degree in CS, engineering, or related field. Another important requirement is that you must have at least one academic semester remaining after completing this internship, meaning final graduating students who won't return to college after this internship generally won't be eligible. Microsoft also expects applicants to have at least 1 year of programming experience in any object oriented programming knowledge that could be Java, C, C Sharp, Python, or any similar language. The biggest advantage of this internship is the exposure. You will learn directly from some of the best software engineers in the industry while working on products used across the globe. If Microsoft is your dream company, don't miss this opportunity. Now let's move on to the second opportunity, and this one is from Magma International for the role of Smart Factory Solutions Intern. The internship location is Bangalore and the duration of this internship is 3 months. It is a full-time in-office role with a 5 working days week. Many people may not know this company, but it's officially one of the largest automotive technology companies in the world. The company works on vehicle engineering, electrification, autonomous driving technology, manufacturing systems, and advanced automotive software. For students interested in AI, ML, data engineering, or smart manufacturing, this internship offers excellent exposure. Let's see what you will actually do in this role. You will analyze real world manufacturing datasets and perform ETL operations to clean, organize, and process data. You will support AI and machine learning model development, build data driven features, and contribute to smart factory initiatives that improve manufacturing efficiency. Apart from the AI work, you will also build front end and back end web applications, develop APIs, integrate different services, and create dashboards that help visualize manufacturing data. You will also participate in debugging existing applications and improving software quality. This means the internship combines data engineering, software development, AI, and web development into one role. The company is looking for candidates who know Python, JavaScript, data structures, programming fundamentals, ETL, data analysis, AI, ML, and software development. Students pursuing bachelor's or master's degree in CS, data science, or related fields are eligible to apply, although the company mentions that master students are preferred. If your long term goal is working in AI or in industry like smart manufacturing, this internship can become a very strong addition to your resume. Now let's move on to the third and final opportunity. This one is from Brand for the role of software developer intern. Unlike the previous two internship, this one is completely work from home, making it accessible for students from anywhere in the India. The internship duration is 3 months and selected candidates will receive a monthly stipend of rupees 8,000. Although the stipend is not extremely high, this internship focuses on providing practical software development experience, which is often more valuable for students starting their career. As a software development intern, you will contribute to real web and mobile application development projects. Your responsibilities include writing clean and maintainable code, debugging software issues, participating in code reviews, learning new technologies, and collaborating with experienced engineers to deliver software products. This internship actually provides exposure to how professional development team works, including technical discussion, software debugging, documentation, and collaborative development. The company is looking for candidates with knowledge of Python, Java, C++, or JavaScript, strong programming fundamentals, DSA, debugging skills, attention to detail, documentation skill, and problem solving abilities are also expected. If you already know frameworks like React, Angular, Vue.js, or even Android or iOS development, those skills will definitely strengthen your application. This internship is open for students pursuing your bachelor's or master's degree in CS or IT related field. For students who are trying to build their first industry experience while continuing college, this can be a very good opportunity. So yeah guys, these were the three opportunity. If your dream company has always been a FANG, go for the Microsoft. Also make sure you are good at DSA while applying for this position. You will gain world class mentorship, contribute to real Microsoft products, and significantly strengthen your resume. If you are passionate about AI, ML, or data engineering, go for the second one. And if you want a remote internship while you are in a college, go for the third one. My advice is simple: even if you think you are not perfect yet, apply now. Most companies don't expect interns to know everything, they are looking for candidates with strong fundamentals, problem solving ability, and willingness to learn. Continue improving your DSA and build projects. Also, maintain an active GitHub profile as well as LinkedIn. Students who receive best offers are one of those who stay consistent in the field. And if this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notifications so you don't miss out my next opportunity video. And if you want any particular job update in a particular domain, make sure to comment down so I can bring it in front of you. I will see you in the next one. Till then, keep learning and keep applying. Thanks for watching, guys.